Are you in need of a business loan? The reason why I asked that question is because banks today are tightening up their lending practices. So today I would like to share with you sources that my company, the Suze Crew Company, has partnered with that can get you the loan that banks today traditionally will just not give to you. And let's face it, why did you get into business in the first place? The reason why you got into business in the first place is because you want to make a profit. And to make a profit, you have to expand and grow. And to do that, you need capital. I want to help you with that. And the good part about this, it doesn't make a difference if you already have an established business or you're investing into a business startup. You can still get these loans because my desire is to see you with the expansion and growth of your business. And if this is of any interest to you, please dial this 800 number here. We are the Suze Crew Company. We've been in business since 1988. We're not new. We can assist you with getting that loan that banks, traditional banks, will not normally give out to you or to other businesses. So do me a favor, give me a call today at this 800 number, and I would love to talk to you about how we can give you approved for the loan that whether it's a small company or big company is looking for, it makes no difference. We can help you get approved for that loan to grow your business. Also, be sure to click the link in the description that can give you more information on how we can get this done for you. Thank you for listening. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.